Basic English grammar. Nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs are important parts of speech in English language. Nouns are naming words for people, places, things or ideas. Examples: teacher, city, book, happiness. Pronouns are words that replace nouns, so you don't have to repeat the same noun over and over. Adjectives describe or give more information about nouns or pronouns. Examples: tall, happy, blue, fast. Adverbs describe or give more information about verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples: quickly, beautifully, very, well. A noun is a word used to name a person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns, these are generic names for things and do not start with a capital letter. Proper nouns, these are specific names for people, places or things and always start with a capital letter. Concrete nouns, these are nouns that refer to things that can be seen, touched, or experienced through the five senses. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Pronouns allow us to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again in our sentences. Personal pronouns, these pronouns refer to people and include I, you, he, she, it, we, they. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Adjectives give more information about the noun or pronoun and help to create a more vivid and interesting sentence. Examples of adjectives include happy, tall, blue, fast. Adjectives can come before the noun they modify or after a linking verb. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective, or other adverb. Examples of adverbs include quickly, beautifully, very, well. Adverbs can come before the word they modify or after it. Difference between adjectives and adverbs. Here is a chart that highlights the differences between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives. Adverbs describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples: happy, blue, tall, fast. Examples: quickly, beautifully, well, loudly. Example sentences to demonstrate the use of adjectives and adverbs. The happy dog wagged its tail.